Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book about the ship, The Life and Death of the Merchant Sailing Ship, published by National Maritime Museum. Contrary to the widely held belief, the sailing vessel was under no serious threat from the steamship until the successful development of the marine compound engine in the mid-1860s. She then went through very rapid and revolutionary development of produce the big steel barks and wooden schooners, which were far more efficient than any of her predecessors, and her final decline was only brought about by the adoption of the triple expansion engine in steaming ships in the 1880s. Even then, the sailing ship had a brief but considerable resurrection during the First World War and in the years immediately after it. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.